Today we're going to see how to install Python on Windows 10. So let's get this started. Open your favorite browser and type in Python. Then click on the first link. You'll be redirected to the python.org page. Here just hover over the download section and you have the option for Python 3.0.8. That's the latest version right now. So click on that. And once you click on that, the download will start. Once the download is done, click on the downloaded icon and they should pop up. Here, make sure to check this box. If not, you'll have to manually add the environment variables for Python. That is, you have to set the path manually. So after that is done, click on install now. Once you're done with the installation, click on close. Then open your command prompt, and in Windows you can do that by using Windows R. Then type in cmd and click on enter. Now type in Python, give a space, hyphen and a capital V and press enter, and that is going to output the present Python version that you have installed on your computer. So this indicates that the Python installation has been done successfully. Now you have to check whether pip has been installed or not. So type in pip, give a space, hyphen and a capital V. So pip is actually the Python package manager, and a few versions back you had to actually install pip manually, but now when you install Python, automatically pip will be installed as well. So we just did that to cross check whether pip has been installed or not. So now the Python installation has been done successfully. So that's it for this video. If you have liked what you watched till now, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe as well. This is Kamal signing off, and I hope to see you in the next video.